The last year really transformed how we all work, how companies work, how people work. And what this did was it forced an acceleration to digital transformation and cloud adoption by almost 7 years, according to a survey that was done late last year by McKinsey and was published earlier this year. So when you think about automation, you think about digital transformation as part of your strategy, some things to consider are, what technologies are you putting in place to accelerate this transformation so that you can also be competitive and agile as the rest of the industries or your competitors or your industry moves towards accelerating digital transformation. There's so many different ways to get toward the digital enterprise or to transform your company digitally. Most of them require an overhaul of all your systems or processes and how you do business. But with automation and cloud, in particular, robotic process automation or RPA and intelligent automation, that is really your fastest path to digital transformation, getting to become a fully digital enterprise. One, because through RPA, you digitize all your manual processes without having to change your technology. So you may have some modern technology that's already SaaS or cloud based, and you may have old legacy technologies, old mainframes in place that are disconnected. But with RPA, you can connect all your systems and you don't need to change out your technology. You're able to also scale across your organization, across any process with RPA. So we're going to get into why cloud native RPA now. Well, having a single integrated platform, having a modern architecture, and an enterprise grade platform that allows you to scale with the lowest cost of ownership. That's what we're going to cover today and go into details of how the platform works, what does this mean for you, and also, how easy or hard is it to implement. And so what's really important is the architecture, that it's cloud native, that it's on a microservices architecture. And so this is where it becomes very important to ask and look under the hood and see how things really work and how your architecture can help you make your RPA platform easy to manage, easy to use, and easy to maintain as well. So with that, I'm going to invite my colleague Steve Shaw, who again is the Senior Vice President of Product Management, to take us through what a modern architecture for cloud RPA looks like.
Thanks, Salva. One of the big things that we focused on in order to bring more ease of use to our whole solution is microservices. Microservices are a new way of being able to build applications where we use smaller and smaller components for every new capability, and we stitch those together as we roll them out. Because we're doing these in small components, as we make changes, one change in one area doesn't affect another area. This means that you can keep using all of the same new features that you're used to, but then when something amazing comes along in the future, you're able to pick up that benefit and not have to worry about disrupting everything else that works today. This also means that we're able to go and scale out all of our capabilities much more effectively. We can add new additional services as more capacity is called on us. We can add and scale up in different directions. So if one component needs more capacity, we can bring that up. If another segment needs less capacity, we can reduce that down. Microservices make a lot of this much more flexible.